everybody, I'm Anastasia from Peru, and today we are going to visit the Chocolate Museum of Antigua Guatemala. Woohoo! Here it is, the Chocolate Museum. Let's go in and see. This class will show us how is the cacao before we eat it.
These processes are fermentation, drying, roasting, peeling, and grinding. I use that to make one process. Okay?
Now we have to make our own chocolate with our own ingredients. Let's try.
You can do whatever you want. Okay.
Can I get some M&M?
Really?
Now I'll put the chocolate. I made a special chocolate with M&M and these colorful things.
It's necessary put in the fridge your chocolate bars. When the class is over, I will give you your bars of after, okay? Thank you.
Okay. After this lesson, we'll have our chocolate bars.
To make a cacao base. And I have a question for you. Do you have an idea who invented this special process? Yes, the Mayans. Thank you. And do you have an idea how many years this tree?
100 years?
Yes, this tree is 100 years.
Nice. This is a real fruit. I can eat it. Thanks.
You can eat.
It's a bean of cacao. I can't eat it. It's very healthy and it's the juice of cacao. It's very hot too. The procession is very difficult. Mayas liked to keep their secrets with them.
Real. Okay, with the butter. With the butter.
The butter is real.
We can make.
Look.
Some people make shampoo, air conditioners, and lipsticks. Yes. Yes. Okay. Give me some water, please. Say your name.
I'm Anastasia and I was born in Italy. And my favorite chocolate is milk chocolate.
Okay. Wow. Me too. Thank you. Okay.
These are like popcorns. In a little bit, they'll do BAM! I think.
Oh.
It's very hot. We have to call them.
Entonces, ideas de que se utilizan
This is the last process. We'll have to take out the cells of the beans. This is the grounding process. I have to make it look like a butter.
Okay. Thank you for the time and for the question. Have a good time in Guatemala. Okay.
Thank you very much for the lesson and for the chocolate.
Okay,
And
what's the
the lesson was fantastic.
Oh, do you like the class?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. It's very important for us that you have a good time here. But it's most important that you learn about the cacao. Thank you for the time. Have a good time in Guatemala. Bye.
This is my chocolate. The lesson was fun, and we learned a lot of things about Mayas and the technique that they use to make cacao. And I like it very much. Also, I got my chocolate. Yeah!